Hello everyone. Last video we have learned about the working with the goal seek. If you are having some target, how we can change our price and all we can find out by keeping a goal seek. Today we are going to use the solver. Now by using solvers amounts to more elaborate from the goal seek. The difference is that the solver deals with the equations with multiple unknown variables. It is specifically designed to minimize or maximize the result according to the set of rules that you define. I will show you an example. With the example, you will understand how the solver is helping us to find the solution for your problems. Each of these rules set up whether an argument in the formula should be greater than, lesser than, or equal to the figure you enter. Here I have wrote some example of pen. If I am selling a pen in 10 rupees, for making that pen it is costing 4 rupees, and I have made the quantity 3000 quantity. The quantity which I have made it is 3000 and the fixed cost it is 10,000. For starting, for making we are giving some amount for establishing, so that is 10,000. Now if I want to find the total profit for this values, the formula is for total profit it is selling price minus making cost into quantity, and then minus from that you will do the fixed cost whatever you have used. Because of the bracket missing, the error came in my formula. Now you can see here the profit is for this amount is 8,000, and for finding the profit for my per unit, profit divided by quantity, you will see the per unit it is costing 2.67 rupees. Now if I want to find make that my profit should be 20,000, I should have the 20,000. For making 20,000 profit, I may change my quantity, I may change do the changes in my making cost, or I may do changes in my selling price. These are the three options are there. For finding this, whichever will be good option for me, for finding that the different option, we will use the solver here, where you are giving your expectation, what you want from your amount. So first go tools. Here you will see the solver option is there. Click on that. Now the target cell which I have already selected here, profit, I want my profit should be 20,000. So for selecting my target, I will do here shrink, then select, then do the expand. Where I want to change my value, the target has been selected. Here you can either find the result in maximum 20,000, minimum 20,000, or the exact value of 20,000. Now the value I want to have, that is 20,000. I will select for here minimum 20,000. It should be profit should be there. So finding the solution for that, I will select the minimum 20,000. Now after writing the result what I want, by changing cells, where I want to change, like where I can get change, I will select on this. It can be changed the cost, selling price, making cost, I have given here changing cells for selling price and making cost. Now for applying condition, example selling price, if I want to make, like it should be maximum 50 rupees, like maximum the paint should be sold in a 15 rupees, not more than that. So here it can be maximum 15 rupees. For keeping that condition, I will select the cell reference here, selling price, expand. Here you will see the operator. It is greater than and equal to, it is equal to, or equal to and lesser than. So I will select here lesser than and equal to. Sorry, I have said you the condition selling price should be maximum 15 rupees. For giving maximum 15 rupees, we will use lesser than and equal to. Here value you will write 15 rupees, and another conditions I am writing for the making cost, it should be minimum 3 rupees, not less than that or not more than that. So for selecting that, I will select the cell, shrink it, then I will use the lesser than and equal to, here writing 3 rupees, and then click on the solve. By giving the conditions for your values, when you are clicking the solve, the process will appear. When you will see the process, you will see some error is there. Let me check that. Let's start again from starting. Some error was coming in my solver. Here is the example of like one pen which is selling in 10 rupees and making cost is 4 rupees. The quantity which we are making, that is 3000. The fixed amount, the fixed cost which we have kept for is for establishing, it is 10,000, and the profit we are getting 8,000, and profit for per unit we are getting 2.67. Now after finding the profit, I want to have the profit should be 20,000, minimum it should be 20,000. For that more scenario, for making more possibility, in LibreOffice Calc, it will we can find out by using the solver. I will go to the tools, click on solver, press OK if the message is coming. In that target cell, my target cell, I want to target on my profit, that should be 20,000. So I will select the target cell. This is my target cell. Then it should be minimum 20,000 is my target. We can have the maximum also 20,000, or if you want it should be exact 20,000, you can click on the value of. Now I am clicking on minimum 20,000. By changing cell, which cells you can change? I can change my selling price, I can change my making cost, or else I can change my quantity. Now I will just show by changing the selling price and making cost. I will select the both cells. After selecting both cells, the condition is the selling cost should be maximum 15 rupees. And the making cost should be minimum 3 rupees. It shouldn't be more. it shouldn't be less than 3 rupees, it should be more than 3 rupees, and for maximum it should be 15 rupees for selling price. So for giving condition, I'll click here, go to shrink, I will select the selling price, and it should be maximum 15. So I will use this greater and equal. The another condition I will keep for making cost. Greater and equal 3. Here lesser and equal to 15. Then click OK. In some computer it will show the different option, more options will be there. By that you can find out more options. Here you will see the result. By selling price is maximum 15 or cost price is 5 rupees, you can have the profit of minimum 20,000. I'll just click on the restore result, and when I'm doing again the solving, you will see here other solution came, like you can sell the pen in 13 rupees, and you can make the making cost can be 3 rupees. For that purpose also you will get the profit for 20,000. More solutions will be there. Here in my screen you will not have the third option here. Mostly it is third option is coming continuing for checking the other possibilities. If you keep the result, that value will change automatically. Let's do with another example. Instead of profit, I have mentioned that 20,000. Let's consider I want it should be 50,000. My profit should be 50,000. For that, I want to have keep condition in quantity also. The maximum quantity which we can make is 4,000. And making cost, it can be minimum 3 rupees only, and maximum selling price it can be ₹12. Let's try to find out here. Instead of 2 places we have kept the condition, here we will try to keep the condition for 3 places. Go to the tools, click on solver. Now target, your target is your profit. Select the target. Now it should be minimum 50,000. I'll write my value. Now where it should change? It should change in selling price, in making cost and quantity. So I will click on this. Select all 3. And in condition, in selling price, I will write it should be maximum 12. Selling price, it should be maximum 12. So it is and making cost, it should be 3, minimum 3 rupees. One more condition where we are applying is that for quantity. So I will select the quantity. It should be maximum 4,000. Now this result should come quantity result, when they are calculating it, they should consider as a integer. So I'll just select this quantity, and from operator it should consider as a integer, and then do the solve. You will see here some problem is coming because of, and I'm getting the minus 10,000 rupees loss. So for making this changes, maybe here some minimum maximum we have done some wrong changes, wrong calculation we have to. So we will just do the restore previous and do some changes here. Here in my sale some problem is coming, because of that some error is coming. Next video I will explain again. You just practice in your computer, maybe some laptop error is there, in software some missing is there, that's why my results are not coming correctly. You practice in your computer, try in your LibreOffice, look the solver, your result will come here in different, and you will see the different options will be there for your result, different probability will be there. From that whichever you want, you can keep it that result, or else you can just do the restore your previous solution. Practice for solver. Next week again I will try to fix my computer problem, whatever is coming in my software. I will try to fix that, and I will show one more example of solver, and I am going to close here only. Next week we are going to learn about again one solver. We'll just go through with that solver again, and then we will start the new session for data link and spreadsheet using multiple workbooks and linking the cells. Thank you.